Sunday, ito ang ating breakfast as usual, salad, mayroon na siyang cucumber, avocado, lots of carrots and lettuce. Mas maganda talaga maraming carrots para sa ating mga mata, beta-carotene. Rich in fiber, antioxidant, gayon din ang avocado, maganda sa mata at skin. Vitamin C at ito ang sweet potato. Yan, combination yan. Uy, nausok-usok pa siya. Yan, sabi pag makulay ang pagkain, the more na makulay, healthy. At gumawa po ako ng pressed juice without sugar. Ano lang po yan, carrots, tsaka orange at konting grapes. Yan, napaka-healthy mga ka-friendship ng ating Sunday breakfast. Ayos na ayos sa diet. Let's eat and keep healthy. Please follow and thank you po sa mga nanonood. Maraming salamat. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I cannot mention because I don't know who you are, but thank you for keep watching. God bless you all and stay healthy. Bye. This is Rina Rich.